we have this professional beauty magnifying lamp. It's an LED magnifying lamp and a facial steamer, 2-in-1. It was so easy to put together. I just had to put the wheels on to the base that it's on and then strap everything up. It plugs in, it uses 2 outlets, but works great. As you can see here, it is the magnifying LED light. You can change the brightness of it, and then you can turn it on and off for when you want to use it versus not. And then I'm going to show you what it's like while I'm doing my facial. Right now the water is heating up, but it's super simple. You easily can turn the temperature on or turn the time on for how long you want to do your facial for. And then you can do the UV light or not, which is going to kill that bacteria that is kind of coming with that. It works best with distilled water or purified water, but you can use either one, or just tap water works too. But it is going to come out of here. So I'm excited to show you what it looks like when I start doing that. So then this is what it looks like while you're actually doing your facial. You get to put it right up to you here. It's not too hot. It's giving you that really nice facial feeling. And like I said, you can pick how long you want it to happen. And it's just gonna be really, really nice for you. I highly recommend you check this product out.